Hello viewers, everybody welcome to our tutorial. Firstly I want to say you, if you do not subscribe my channel or getting more related video about Photoshop tutorial, you must be subscribe my channel and stay with us. Today I will see you how to photo manipulation. So firstly open the program. This is Photoshop CS6 and firstly open the file and open. I work on this image, cut the image and create a new document and document size duration 300 and paste. I work on this image and now I place on this image some picture, that means some fish and water effect on the waterfall. Then go to file, click on place, that is water effect. First select the layer, you click on right mouse and click it, then in keyboard you press on Ctrl T and you can move as you wish. Then okay, now cut the other side that not needed, so go to pen tool and select the area. Also select the area by pen tool, then in keyboard you press on enter, Ctrl plus enter and go to select modify and feather radius 2, then okay, then go to laser tool, then remove the unnecessary things or unnecessary part, and for deleting selection duration Ctrl D. And now I want to place the fish, go to file, then place 3 fish in this layer, 4 fish in this layer and 3 image place. You can move any place as you wish and place other image, then place and place another image. And the water image must be drag on the top, and the water effect, the layer must be multiplied, and the water effect you can reduce the opacity. By this way you can use or you can work on any image as you wish. You can work on any photo manipulation. And also I want to tell you, for getting more related video you must be subscribe my channel and also stay with us. Thank you.